is the Igwe? I am back to my father's land. I cannot continue to be a refuse in another man's land. Go and tell him that Otondo is back.
Come on, they use your ear for somewhere. Eh? Go and tell that the great Otondo is here.
Where is he? Be fast about it.
I said, where is the Igwe? Igwe, are you surprised to see me?
What are you doing here?
I am back to my father's land because I cannot continue to run away from where I belong. And I've come to warn you to tell the people of this village not to dare me, because I won't spare anybody. I am back to my father's land. That is why I'm here. Igwe, be warned. I am back to my father's land.
That was a wonderful speech from the great Otondo. the great Otondo.
Let's leave here.
We are back.
Trouble don't come again, yo, for villa. Wahala don't land here, for villa. Now we'll go stop him. Now we'll go confront him. Onye napu, onye nkapu, Otondo, for your whole land here.
How much is your money?
It's 4,000 naira from the city to the village.
Chima,
Papa.
Let me have the 5,000 I gave you to keep.
Papa, you have collected the money from me.
Will you stop it if it's a joke? I'm not playing with you. Let me have the money so that we can settle right.
Papa, you have collected the money from me. Uzog, is it not true? Yes, it's true. Papa, I saw you when you collected the money.
Will you shut your dirty mouth? I know you will connive with your brother. You will support him to scam me of my money, but it will not happen.
Okay, wait. Time na money, and my time you dey waste it. Pay me, let me carry my motor and go.
Which one be time na money and your time at the waste? Are you blind? Can't you see what is happening? The money I gave to my son here, he's not telling me stories. What do you want me to do? Come on, Will.
Papa, what is it now?
Give me that money now.
Papa,
now,
which money again? Papa, which money are you talking about?
Hey! Biko, I don't have time for this drama. Give me my money, let me go now.
Thank you. Hold this man. Hold the man. Hold my papa. Now.
If you really want your money, and you don't want to arrest these two people, these two culprits, or June 12th.
Oga, I don't know this village. We never even call this village for the first time. My twin and I, we never step our foot in this village. We don't know this village.
It's not an excuse.
Oga, which kind?
We must settle the driver.
Which kind of nonsense is this one?
But who stop you for road? Who stop you? Who to tell you the village? Oh, this man now.
And he's your father now.
Papa, let me see you. Come on, hold me.
Papa, leave us now.
Oga, Papa, Oga,
come and hold me.
You are just pushing me.
Come and hold me.
Go, give me my money.
If you're not afraid, come and touch me. I will tell you that I'm the king of West. Come and try me.
Hi.
Who is she?
Chief Guna's daughter, Nonye.
I need that girl.
Now.
I need them. Now.
Nonye! God, you know how to be. See, the great Otondo wants to see you. Come back here. Are you walking out on me or what? I said, come.
That girl is very stubborn.
Yes. Come on, move. Why are you using to throw? Move. Come on. Come on. Stand there.
What do you want from me? Allow me to go.
I like stubborn girls like you.
Please allow me to go.
Hey, stop here. I think you are very stubborn. And I like stubborn girls like you.
What do you want?
Good question. I want you. Come on, let's go. Bring her for me.
My friend, come on.
Now we'll go stop him. Now we'll go confront him. Onye nabu, onye kapu. What's on the head? Trouble don't come again. Your power feel.
Which kind of wahala be this one? Eh? Which kind of nonsense be this one? Make una come pay me now. Let me carry my motor and go. Waiting. Which kind of nonsense? Where's your father?
My father?
Yes.
Hey, there is a very, very big problem. There is a lot of problem. Oh, I won't go now. Hey.
Wait. What problem?
Yeah?
Go and tell your papa say, I no go come out here until he pay me my money. What is it?
I'm saying there is a very, very big problem. And that's go to Nigeria.
What problem now? Eh?
Let me tell you. My father and my brother, they inside cell.
They inside cell. For what?
As we go to police station, to go write a statement, police people arrested my father and my twin brother for two fighting.
What rubbish are you talking about? What nonsense are you talking about?
Even as I'm talking to you now, my papa said that I should come and meet you so that you will lend him 10,000 naira. I'm going to need you to go to him 10,000 so that I will go and bear them out.
You dey crazy. In fact, may thunder fire you and that your father over there. Listen, I no go leave this place until you people give me my money.
So this
give me my money now.
This thing I'm talking to you, asking you go to Motoga Balafia, give me 10,000 naira. Hey,
give me my money. Give me my money. Go. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Give me. I need 10,000 naira.
Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Give me. I need 10,000 naira.
You dey crazy.
Give me 10,000 naira. Oh, if you can use this motor and change it with 10,000 naira, just give me. Let me go to police station and bear my father.
Which motor?
This is your motor.
Are you okay?
Because I need 10,000 naira. I need 10,000 because
look at this people.
I'm begging you. I don't want my father to sleep there. I don't want my father to sleep there and my twin brother.
You are begging me?
10,000 naira.
Give me my money. Be gone now.
I will not leave you. I will not leave you. You have to check yourself and know whether you have to. Give me. I will not go back. I will not go back before Canada. I cannot go back. I will not go back. I will not go. You have to give me the money. You have to give me the money.
Which kind of family? Which kind of family? Which kind of family?
I will not go out.
Trouble don't come again. Your power feel. Wahala don't land the power feel. Now we'll go stop him. Now we'll go confront him. Onye napu, onye kapu. What's on the head? For your own land, yeah, na him be the owner. For your own shagole, you go pay am levy. Which kind person be this year? person be this year? Otondo, oye napu, oye kapu. Otondo, oye napu, oye kapu. Otondo, trouble me. Otondo no get respect here. Nobody be anything for us here. Trouble me. Otondo no dey fear he elders. Otondo dey beat him mama. Trouble me.
Sabudio. Simon Sabudi. Simon Sabudi Nanyo. Nanyo.
Including Igwe. All the girls today for trouble, another wahala. One person no go let community drinking water. If you hear Otondo name, your heart go fly. If you hear Otondo name, PP go rise. Now which kind person be this year? Otondo now which kind wahala be this year? Otondo oye napu, oye kapu. Otondo oye napu, oye kapu. Otondo Otondo
I will get it here. That lecturer. Boss, the car go well. We'll pick collector. You go no, that lecturer.
Otondo cheat everybody. Everybody they fear am, including Igwe. All the girls today for trouble, another wahala. One person no go let community drinking water. If you hear Otondo name, your heart go fly. If you hear Otondo name, PP go rise. Now which kind person be this?
Hey! Now there's trouble.
Ejagini.
Trouble!
What trouble?
Hey! Do you know that Otondo and his boys are back to this village? Eh?
It's not possible.
Hey!
Otondo will never set his feet on this land after all he did that made him run away. It is not possible.
Papa Goma, you argue a lot. Otondo Kenjanyam Nabofu. I saw him with his voice when I was coming back. Hey!
Oh. Hey. Imagine the peace we enjoy in this village. Huh?
His return to this village is bringing more trouble to the people. Hey.
Well, in that case, Igwe must hear about this.
Igwe must hear again.
I will let him know.
Please, Biko. Don't just let Otondo hear what you said. Keep your mouth shut. You know, look at the gates. Biko. The kwab. I won't be there.
Hi. What will make Otondo return to this village? After all he did that made him and his boys run away.
Papa, it's all have wasted time. I don't want anything to happen to him. You know that driver is not the kind of person that you can trick, and you know that kind of driver now.
I trust your brother. I believe he can handle the driver.
No,
Stop panicking.
Papa, I don't want anything to happen to my brother.
Someone is coming. This is off.
Hi. What happened? That man is a real guy, man. No. But thank God that we came back to this village without paying any dime for transportation.
Yes, that's good. But what happened? Where is the driver?
Papa, the moment I saw him, I ran into him and started shouting, hey whoa, hey whoa, hey whoa, hey whoa. The man was looking at me and said, what is the problem? What is the problem? I said that they have locked both of you in the cell. Oh. He said, what? This and that. And he heard my truth. I started squeezing life out of me. No, I shouted, and I fainted. I started shaking all my bodies. It was not easy, Papa.
Yes. Then what happened next?
Papa, the man was gripped with fear. I started shouting, hey, boom, this boy is dead too. Hey, woo, and tied his car and ran away.
Just like that?
Just like that too.
Good. It is done. Now let's go.
Let's go where? Papa, the mama? Papa, you said that after the assignment that you are going to give me 1,000 naira.
You're a fool. A compound fool. Do you think I have money and I've been dodging from paying the driver?
I don't like the team. Talk to Papa.
Papa, what is this now? Street king and Papa, where are you going now? Hold on.
Papa, I will go to the city and tell the driver that you tricked him.
Look at him. I'll go to the city and tell the driver. You think that will scare me? What is wrong with you?
Papa, you like street now. What street came like here now? You promised to bring 1,000. Give it to us now.
To give you 1,000. We didn't give the driver 4,000.
You expect me to give you 1,000?
Papa,
don't worry. Papa always complain there is no money, but you see, there will be money by force. Let's go.
No, yeah? What is it? Why are you crying? Stop crying now. Tell me what the problem is. Why are you crying?
Papa, he did it.
Who are you talking about? Who? Otondo. Wait. The Otondo you are talking about is no longer in this village.
He's back.
Stop crying now and tell me what he did to you. So what happened? He took you inside the bush and... Raped you? Is this a joke or what?
I'm not joking. This is
2 times. So it is true that the devil is back in this village. Deal with him this time, Rubius. But you should have fight now. You should have resisted.
Mama, I couldn't have resisted.
It's okay. I will make sure he doesn't get away with this one. Okay? Stop crying. It's okay now. Ozugo. Let's go. Stop crying. You will not get away with this one this time. It's okay. Ozugo. Let's go home. Stop crying.
Oduko, take am easy. Life na jeje o. Remember, say every day na for the thief, but na just one day. One day na for the owner. Oduko, hey, Oduko and Sons, Abba Mixtures. The same day must make a move, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do.
You have done very well.
Thank you.
I'm so impressed.
Thank you.
In fact, both of you deserve some drinks this evening.
Are you going to buy a drink for us?
That is exactly what I just said. Wait,
hey. Papa, you told us that you don't have any money with you.
Yeah. Don't be a fool. That I don't have money now doesn't mean I won't have it later.
Where are you going to get the money from? Yeah? We just
don't be asking silly questions. Silly and dumb questions. All you have to do is be smart like your father.
Hey! Papa, you shock me. Papa, you shock me.
No, he choke you.
Papa, you want 1,000 naira now. Wow. You will give me my 1,000 naira, or I will go to the city and go and look for that driver that brought us back here and tell him that you trick him. Oh. Papa, not only that, oh. Not only that. Yes. I am going back to the city to tell our landlord where you are living, so that he will come and collect his 7 months rent that made us run away from the city. Bam! Ijia.
Both of you are insane. In short, both of you are sick in the head. In short, you are insane in the membrane. Don't try me in this house.
He run the street. Na city. He be in a village and now why street. You know why they call us Ejimawotu? Do you know why they call us Ejimawotu? You don't know what you know.
Ejimawotu. No only get Ejimawotu. EMEKA Ejimawotu. OKONKWO Iti. Let me tell you people. Just provoke me one more time in this house.
Hi. Papa thinks he's smart. I'm going to tell the people of this village about Papa's activities in the city. I'm telling you. But you have to calm down. Let's finish this work. Which work? Me and you. I'm done. I'm done. Me too.
Where are they? Where are they? These children have started again. I will not tolerate their trouble in this village. I'll simply send them back to the city. Organize. Or someone wale jima. Eh? Keke mama mumiko dobiko. Every day muno makana barika cat and mouse.
Oduko and sons about mischiefs. The same day must make a move, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do. Whether na malaria,
Papa is fond of making someone angry. I don't like this, so. Izog, we are not going to allow Papa deceive us in this village, just the way he deceives us in the city. Never. I'm telling you, Papa has money. But the problem here now is that he does not want us to know anything about it. Don't worry. We will plan for him. You see, Papa cannot hide his money from us. No, never. Not in this life. He can never. How do we survive in this village? How? Eh? Are we going to fold our hands and place our hopes on Papa? No. We are not going to fold our hands. We are not going to fold our hands. Let us think. Let me think. Let's think. Think. You know that I easily get hungry. You know. Calm down. I'm thinking. Think very fast, so think.
Oduko, take 'em easy. Life na jeje o. Remember, say every day now for the thief, but not just one day. One day now for the owner. Oduko, hey, Oduko and sons about mischiefs. The same day must make a move, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do. Whether na malaria, whether na typhoid fever, whether na diabetes, no matter what wetin e be o, jọ̀wọ́ dòkwa.
Are you sure we're safe here? We are beating them. They cannot trace us. We are invisible.
That old fool has the guts to bring police to my house.
And I am sure, boss, they are still searching for us.
I am not afraid of the police. That old fool that calls himself Ichegona. He will hear from me.
He will be dealt with. Seriously, oh.
Come on, let's leave here.
Tree with them plants, they're going to confuse me. I'll be like, oh, let's see at the next one. It will be the next thing, it will be the next road, okay? I bless that the next one. Oh, I don't want for this. 2 minutes, everywhere pause. Okay, they move.
Go on.
Let's the next junction.
Where is that stupid man? Go and get him. Search for him and get him. Animal. Onya Allah. And where they got a bomb there? Stupid man. Bring him!
I'm a title man. I'm a title man. You boys will regret it.
Shut up. Titled man kill you.
Will you shut up?
Title man kill you there. So now you. You don't get that liver. You don't grow wings to bring policemen to my house.
You raped my daughter, didn't you?
I raped your daughter, right? You've touched the lion's tail. You are monsters who forced me out of this community. I will use you as one of the examples.
If you lay a hand on me, I will report you to our kingsmen. I'm telling you now.
You report me?
I will report you.
The kingsmen, you said? Why not the policemen? Or rather you report me to the Igwe? Because Igwe is the highest authority.
You boys have committed an abomination by kneeling a title man like me before you. You will surely cleanse this land.
Title man kill you. Cleansing the land for you is worse of cleansing. Because your own case is like a case. Did you hear me? You idiot. You will come to what? You're a riffraff. You're an entity. do no snail, he will snail Eju. He will pray when calls. Oh hell, idiot! I have the cops to call the police for me. And you get him out to talk. Eh? Seek him out to talk. Give me that cake. Give me that cake. You won't collect? Idiot. This man, what's not gonna do this man? What's not gonna do this man? You call the police again for me?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
What now, idiot? Take him away. Animal.
Can you for here? If you talk rubbish, I will tear your head.
No, calm down.
No, I know you go again. I know you go again.
Huh?
I know you go again. I don't carry you go almost everywhere in this village. You don't know your past then.
Oga, you get sense. You where? Huh?
Come down from this place.
I don't understand. You be prison warder. Come down until waiting Johnson level.
I've been taking you about in this village.
Oga?
You don't know your house.
Now my papa house I dey find. When I reach where I dey go. Yes.
Come down.
Yeah.
Come down by yourself.
See Morocco, see Spain.
I said, come down before I force you from
Oga, I never reach where I dey go. Enter keke make we dey go.
Go everywhere since. How much you want to pay me, sir?
Oga, na your bonnet I dey pity for. If I run enter you go off. Blow you.
Come down, make I go.
No.
Come down.
If I watch
come down, make I go.
Enter this keke make they go, they mad.
Come down, look at how you go. Say, make I come down.
Oga, what?
I beg, man.
I thought I heard someone's voice.
Yes, it's Nonye. She just left here. She said that Otondo and his gang took his father away.
Took his father away after raping her. Hey.
They have started again. Otondo and his gang, they have started again. You must hear this.
Wow.
No.
Biko, listen to what I have to tell you before you make a mistake and put us all in trouble.
Virginia.
I don't want problems.
Virginia, I am not afraid of Otondo. In fact, I am not afraid of any man born of a woman. Huh? Why is he causing trouble everywhere? People must hear it.
He cannot do anything. Yet, the Igwe is silent about his return. Eh? Biko.
My wife is right. Igwe is yet to take action concerning the young man's return.
What have I done to you boys? Otondo, you will regret this.
Madman. Now you go regret them, no be me. Now your grandpapa go regret them, no be me. Idiot. Your grandpapa left Nyash there.
Look at what you are doing to a title man. Eh? Where's your respect?
Otondo has no respect for anyone. I own this village. Not even the Igwe can challenge me.
I'm not feeling fine, no. I'm sick. Please, you boys should leave me alone. I want to go home. Leave me.
You go die. Now Akuku will kill you. You hear me so?
Please,
Idiot. Boys! Boss. Do your work.
Stand up. Stop wasting our time, bro. Jump. Like this. Go down. Why you dey rush?
What? Follow me now. Why are you rushing? Oh, yeah, go down. Jumping. Be jumping. Start jump where? Jump where?
I'm having waist pain. No.
Jump where? Jumping.
I'm having waist pain, please.
So if you want to join the army, this is how you jump. You are spoiling your exercise.
I'm not feeling fine. No.
Jump. Jump. I go wipe your butt. Jump. I jump where? You're doing well. Be jumping.
If you know jump well, I go wipe.
Nonye left here not quite too long ago. If not, they would have taken her away.
Hey.
If not for the fact that she ran away.
Mamu Goma, have you heard that Otondo disappeared the time the police went to arrest them?
Disappear what? Kekebu disappear?
Yes, so that was how they escaped.
Hey! No one them. How do they get these powers?
No one knows. It shows that they came back fully prepared.
Hey! Thank God I stopped my husband though. Thank God I stopped him when he was trying to go to the Igwe's palace to report them.
Why did you stop him?
Hey, Mama.
I'm a mama.
Did you just ask me that question? Hey! Hey! Think about what he would have done to my husband if I didn't stop him.
He will do nothing. Forget the fact that he disappears. Someone has to start this fight.
I agree with you totally. Okay. Someone has to start the fight, but not my husband. Your husband can start it.
It's not my husband.
Because it is now your husband. Because Mama Chizoba, Onny. Time to. Yes!
I should go.
You have overstayed your welcome.
I should go.
Go. Instead of us to quarrel because of this thing. No problem. Kodi. Odigo. Atamge. My husband will go and stop it. Your husband will stay with you.
The only beautiful girl with eagle eyes. We know that too for this villa. Show.
Shankers, I beg no vest, I just they confused small. I look for Mazi and Lendo house. They do me like say I don't pass the place.
You don't pass so. See, why when I come there, you know no road. When I go back, see, if you turn now, you take your right. Once you get down, you see a road by your left. Okay. You take the road. Okay. Then you go down, then you ask question. The house is very close. They will tell you the place.
You're the better person, Thank you very much. Right. Thank you, You, I don't want you. Not be the road I don't describe so. You go down there, they fight yourself.
So now, how did the Kingsmen's meeting go?
Otonda, his boys did not show up. So we have to reschedule the meeting for another day.
Those boys are becoming something else. They have become a threat to this community. And I think our community should do something. We shouldn't wait.
I come and be this. Now the laboratory with that, I remember. I want to go for this village. I don't know. I don't come beside Uncle Guy. Where you bring my box come down? Not a waste time. 2 seconds. Everywhere don't leave. Litty. Thank you. How much be your money that time? You brush, should be 2,000. They give you 2,000, your fee counter, say 2,000. You like trouble. So now me they find you they all laugh off for road. Where you go find your life. Hey! They go hear what? Go mad show. I don't come beside I don't come. Yeah.
If you want wahala, me.
Go mad show. Hey! I'm not 2 seconds. Everywhere lit. Yenge. Mercy. Oh boy, Yenge. I don't feel now. Male. What is the sum? Hello, Yenge. Male, take on there. Male, this village, everywhere lit. 2 seconds, everywhere boss. As a show, everywhere don't change for this village. What did they play? Male, how fun, what did they sup, Male? This is where you give face like lockdown. What's up?
Ugoma, what are you doing here?
Which kind jam question be this now? You don't work for jam office. Tell my papa, mama ask me this. Where I want go? Oh, my if don't reach here, Tito. But everything don't change for this village. Everywhere don't change. Male, I don't show. I go run this village. Popsy.
Why did you come alone?
Assistant jam officer. Don't come with your question. Well, I'm supposed to wait now. Make I land softly. Why don't they question me like this now? What do they play? Gay. Hey.
No, but why did you come back? I don't understand this whole thing.
Yeah? Supervisor for jam office. Now your turn. Male, Mona calm down. Mona chill. Male, see Morocco, see Spain. Only water divide them more. Last, if you won't cross, if it's too hard, we go build canoe, we'll cross her. 2 seconds, everywhere lit. Male, go inside now. We go. Male, I need to give you one. Take this one. For you. It's too much. I don't. This village, they go hear word. Male, they go hear word. Male, I lit everywhere. Like this, I lit.
Virginia, what is Ugoma doing here?
Mama, why are you asking me? We were here before she arrived. What kind of question is that one?
She has to leave. Ugoma has to leave. She must go back to Warri. Because this village will not contain both of us. Look what Odin Sobuda to her. No, what I could have at work.
Wahala de sleep, go wake up, Wahala de sleep, go wake up, Wahala de intino, Wahala de na me be Ugoma, original Wafigelo, the only beautiful girl with eagle eyes. We know that too for this villa.
But I told her she will be going to the farm with me now. Ugoma!
If you find my trouble, you don't want to be that. If you refuse to cooperate, I go show you another side. I dey like Buko. I many chapters. If you want peace, me I dey. If you want wahala, me I dey. But mind yourself, oh, I know one trouble, oh. Wahala dey sleep, oh, wake am, oh, Wahala just dey relax, oh, wake am, oh, You don't see where wahala just dey rest, oh.
No. I'm telling you. Mazi just do mad in 80s and mad easy. Osemba. No. Amarozi nke aga ekweku emu. Odo kwa megu. Ichiod. Whose daughter is that?
That should be Chilendo's daughter.
The one that came back from Warri?
Exactly.
Hey! Is this how she behaves? I can see she has no good upbringing.
You saw it yourself. You see that she has no respect for anybody. Look at the way she just waved that top. She didn't even notice us for saying that she was dancing, doing her hand like that. That must be the reason they sent her back from Warri.
Ichielendo should be very, very careful about her because she's going to bring lots of trouble for him in this community.
Are you just saying it? The life in the city has spoiled her. Look at the way she's walking. No responsible young lady will walk like that.
Can see with children of nowadays. I don't really understand them.
My life.
Kai!
He should be very careful.
Well, let's go our own way.
Children of nowadays.
Children of now, I don't really know what their problem.
For this in the generation.
Okay, I'm going to Subadro.
This in the generation.
Me I know they do gra. I want to beraga. Hey, Simaya, your mama born you where you they sing. Boss, you enter class. Hey, you they sing. I know they do gra. I want to beraga. Ah, I'm on this one. My Johnson things. They Jones anyhow. What's that?
Where have you been?
This kind of jam question you they ask me now. Sure? I did now.
You did now? You did now?
Ha.
Did I not tell you that you would be going to the farm with me today?
Male.
Eh?
Male. As you look me finish, I be like how they create to go farm. Which one be farm? Which farm? I don't get strength for farm. Shoo.
I was born inside the farm. Okay?
And then you go take her easy. You go calm down. Take her easy. Sure?
By the way, who owns the oranges?
It's clear say you know what this orange be, ma. This orange, you enter class. The orange na first class take come out. The orange, it makes sense. It don't worry, ma pee one for you, make you suck.
Mama, thank God you are home. I saw your daughter Ugoma plucking her oranges. I tried stopping her, she refused.
Balance your face.
Oh. So these oranges are from your father's orange tree?
Yes, Mama. And I'm going to report to my mother now.
Oh, Mama, you don't beg her. Ostrich. They beg you. You don't crazy. When you shift, I say, may you shift. They beg you, you keep face like waiting and no know. Where you? I tell you, see this orange? I will continue to the pluck and not get what you go do. This orange, now our orange, now community orange.
Which community orange?
Mama,
really?
You know. So they look here, if I close my eyes, open and delete. When you are saying is calm. Hey. Mom, see? Tell the girl me to go. I know what this.
My daughter? Oh, just go. I'll talk to her.
It's because of you. It's because of you.
Hey. Your war face. Where you they go? See strong yash. I'll kick you. Mama, Bobby, calm down, no. Calm down. Nonsense doings. Mom, see this soap. Don't get Timaya a new song. Mama, that guy is sing. Hey, Timaya, God, that guy. Oh, Timaya enter class. That guy enter class. You hear the song here? Everywhere soft landing. Hey, hello. The people where you have seen now then go fuck you up. Hey, now maybe done that. Say again, done that.
Nkechimwam. Do you know that up to this moment, Goma has not told us why she came back?
Male, see, me, I don't want run fever for this place. I don't want anybody get high fever. Since why I come back, never even ask me what made me come back. Self, na they know. No, I want to know why I come back. Pale, see, I don't want vex. So, I don't want vex. Everybody did their day, make a day my day.
No, but you okay? You know, I'm not Jaka Makola.
Male, keep your Jaka. I've been waiting you the yarn. Keep palm. Nothing they sup. You ask me question, man, no answer. We dey kindergarten. Everybody respect themselves for you. And the vex. So,
Goma has proven to me that she's old enough to take care of herself. She does whatever she likes in my house. She insults me. Can you imagine? She even insults my own husband.
What? Goma, is it true?
Question and answer. Well, make I answer you. Sis for here. Carry me go worry. If he say carry me to go turn me to Adamu, he go just there, go balance for sure, go full, go spread like virus. Your husband self, he go spread like malaria. So they go just spread anyhow like bed sheet. See Anna, no they see size. Carry me they do, go ma go here, go ma go there. Where you? Hey, shankers, make I warn you like this next time if you can't call report me, I go pull your lashes. What did happen, Seth? Everybody calm down.
This is what I've been saying in my house every day, ever since Ugoma started living with me. Papa, Ugoma is no longer welcomed in my house.
Where you? See Morocco, see Spain. See Morocco there, Spain there. Last na Kenu we go use, we go cross on. What did happen? Your house na mansion. You like when you finish, when you are finished, then you move. Me, I move.
That's your lifestyle.
Yeah, the cap nonsense.
Let her come back to your house.
Biko.
If you leave her here, she will put us in trouble.
Please, let me apologize on her behalf. She must go back with you. Please, Biko.
Papa, I wish I can do something about it. But my husband doesn't want her in our house anymore.
Yes, my people, I'm back like I never left. And I'm here to help my people. If you're suffering from rheumatism, you're having stomach problem, you can't go to the toilet, or if you're a man, you can't do the jiggy without, this is the solution. Baga bangwane inguraya edemma zubo adakaka. A bottle is nothing but 500 naira. 500, that's all. 500. 500. 500 naira. That's 500. Give me your money. Bring your money.
Okay, I will give you money now.
Give me money. Not to tell me cool down. What about you? You're not buying. Two of you together. Okay. Next person. 500 naira. Hey, if you buy two, you get one free. If you buy three, you get one free. You get two free. Bring your money. Why not? It will work very well.
If it doesn't work,
it will work.
then I'll have to come.
Anybody else want to buy? Give me your money. What is going on here?
Huh? On whose authority are you people doing this kind of business here? On whose authority?
I don't understand. I am a bona fide son of this village.
Bona fide Kili. Do I look like a joker to you? Huh? So you have the gut to come sell drugs here without notifying me? Without coming to settle me? EMEKA is embassy? Now this town? What's going on?
My son, please, I want to understand. Don't be angry. I just want to know where you're coming from.
You want to understand?
Yes. How do you mean?
What I mean is that you don't do this kind of business in this town without notifying me or settling me. Do you understand? Do you hear what I'm saying? I own this land. I am king of this land and no one dares me. Do you understand?
My son, we can settle this amicably.
Amicably, Wugide. That's so what's shaggy Wugide. You hear me? Oh. Now who born monkey? So now you born these two criminals.
They are my children, but they are not criminals.
Yes, criminals. Look at their eye. Well, Tramadon, you see a brain box.
We are not criminals.
If I hear fame from you, I'll kill you.
We are not criminals.
Look at their tongues, licking tramadol every day. Now listen to me. I am going to pick all your stuffs till you're ready to settle.
Guys, gather everything here.
But we can settle this amicably.
Gather everything here. Pack it, pack everything.
Talk anyhow for your
Hi.
Go. If you say pimp, if I hear pimp,
collect that MP3. Collect that ready.
yeah, drop her. I go cut these hands.
Hi.
When you are ready, you know what to do. Onyori City of Seteten. Onyori City of Seteten.
This is conspiracy.
Yes.
This is conspiracy.
Papa, those guys have no right to stop our business. Eh? Talk more of taking our things. And for where? Who does that? Now this village. But now we made a very big mistake by allowing those boys to take those things that rightfully belongs to us. What would the problem be here?
I will teach that young man a lesson he will never forget in a hurry.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Chima and I can handle this. Eh? Ordinary one batch in one village in village stout. Papa, do you know what we pass through in the city? It must be bigger. I will by YouTube by Sukusu. Wow. Papa, we not allow this cannot happen. Okay, me.
You guys should listen first. Don't take any action without my consent. We have to find out who those boys are working for.
Papa, don't worry. Papa, don't worry. We'll talk. Let's go. If necessary.
Let it be necessary. Because I don't want you guys to do anything funny until I'm done with the investigation of those boys and who they are working for.
But don't worry. We'll get back to you. Let's discuss. Come.
Whose son is that boy? And what gave him the guts to stop my business and confiscate my goods? Hi. In my own domain. You shall see. Can my son see the capital?
Oduko, take am easy.
Everywhere palash for this village. Eh? Oh, everywhere good. They like, hey, gay. Everywhere just smooth. Everywhere just day, just palash everywhere. I don't come this village beside, I don't come. Oh, darling. Oh, God, you go take her easy, oh. You know, get sense. They drive anyhow. Ah, everywhere palash.
Fine girl, excuse me. Mama. Please, can I have a word with you?
Babu. Huh? Monkey. And the dada way you carry for head, they deceive you. You don't have a word with me. You don't know your auntie. You want me cash cruise. Guy, respect yourself.
Calm down now. Mama says, so is it wrong for me to have a word with you? Nachim. Oh. look at me, with my highway.
You don't have word with me.
Mm-hmm.
I resemble your mama. Huh? No, answer me. I resemble your mama. Fear not they catch you. You know they look face. You look me, big breasts, big nyash. You won't follow me, have word. Be like say something to the word.
What do you mean that? What do you mean that, sir? Why you insult my brother? What do you mean that? You think that you fight? Look at this person, though. Who is this? Come out here also. See you. You think my brother they come, they talk. They insult you. What is it? What kind of thing is this? Don't do nonsense thing with this.
I say fear not they catch you that too. No wait.
Why you gonna insult me? What did I do you? Only that I said let me have a word with you. You are pouring all this insult to me. In fact, I don't take that word back. Which can't be this now?
Say monkey where canvas. I don't understand. I know wait, I don't get up. Now me I want you shy. Now they use me crash cruise for this village. Una where? Una where?
Stop. See, make I tell you. If it is not that boy, don't make you. Your brain make you the boss. Come out here. Fine. Come out here. Which can't be that now? You know the year about 21 world. Let
me ask you. Even that your boyfriend will be saying you they come, they kakadi, you fight pastors.
Nah, kill the Okudiya now. Which can't be this now? Your father Mpagara Wejima. Which can't nonsense be this? If I don't correct my word, you be a Wejima.
Hey, see Morocco see Spain. Where are they disguise? See them all. So now me una you say they catch cruise for this village. Anyway, I go leave una today na Christmas for now. The next time when we go meet by John, na mass burial. Okpo, these guys, I don't know what they deal with.
Who are these urchins and what are they doing here?
Okay. We caught them hiding at the backyard. They refused to tell us what their mission was.
Okay, so what brought you guys here?
No need.
Hey, come back.
You don't want to talk?
Speak! Speak now before I use this cutlass on you.
We are Oduko's children.
Oduko's children? Who is this Oduko?
Speak!
The herbalist you took his products this afternoon.
Oh. Is that so?
Yes.
Okay. And what are you doing here?
They came to steal their father's medicine.
How can we? No!
Is that so?
No!
You see, you guys are criminal. I know what? I have my eyes on you. I own this village, and I know every activity going on. So don't you ever think you're going to outsmart me.
Thank you, brother.
Do you hear me?
Uncle, thank you.
Next time this will happen again. I'm going to show you.
Uncle, brother, sister, brother.
No, I'm not trying to get this village.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, uncle. Uncle, brother, sister. Cousin, I forgive you. Thank you.
Lulu,